As you're about to see in this next game, we've brought in some volunteers to conduct a simple experiment to test people's compassion.
You're gonna go this way and to the first door on the left.
Great, thanks.
First step is to check in. Then, sit down with our scientist.
So what you have in front of you is a bowl of chili. It is going to be eaten by another test subject. That subject does not get paid unless he eats the entire bowl of chili.
In this experiment, there are 3 hot sauce options: mild, medium, and death. Participants can put as much or as little as they want.
That's a one-way mirror, so the test subject cannot see which you choose.
Gotcha.
So what would you do if you were given this choice? Well, this volunteer chooses the mild hot sauce. Seems reasonable since the default setting for most people is to show compassion.
That's it?
That's it.
But now we're going to change up this experiment and see if we can provoke a different compassion reaction.
In the first room on the left here.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Yo, 2 lanes, man.
Did you see that? This guy practically ran over our volunteer. Now let's see which hot sauce this volunteer picks.
So what you have in front of you is a bowl of chili.
It's the same experiment as before, deciding which hot sauce to feed a total stranger. And now, it's time for our volunteer to meet this guy.
And that is a one-way mirror. The subject cannot see.
Okay.
Please proceed.
So what would you do if some guy just ran you over and didn't even apologize?
2 lanes, man.
Would you seek revenge? Remember, he can't see you. So would you go with mild, medium, or death? Wow, with no hesitation, this guy is adding a lot of death sauce. Looks like he's throwing compassion right out the window.
You may go.
Okay.
And he wasn't the only one.
Watch where you're going.
Please proceed.
Death it is again. And again. When left to their own devices, most people are compassionate by default. But as soon as they feel slighted, they immediately want justice. Not surprisingly, everyone who got bumped sought revenge on the obnoxious stranger. And you probably would too. But is there anything we could do to alter this result and have people choose compassion, even for a jerk?
You're gonna go right to this first door on the left.
Great, thanks so much.
Oh, sure.
Dude, were you there when she just started reciting Shakespeare?
Dude,
This woman is having the same ugly run-in with our test subject, and she's got the same hot sauce choices. So will she choose death, too?
Hi.
Hi.
Come on in. That's a lovely smile. Please have a seat. Oh, you're welcome. Can I get you some water?
sure, please.
All right, cool. Please proceed.
Okay.
Whoa, she chose the medium sauce, even though this guy ran her over just moments ago.
And you can't see me?
No.
Right, thanks.
I'm walking down the hall. Yo, careful, man.
What about this guy? He'll want revenge, right?
Ben, nice to meet you. Please have a seat, sir. Can I get you some water?
Sure, please.
And how has your day been, my man?
Good. Thank you.
The mild sauce this time. What's going on here? Before, the scientist was all business,
And that is a one-way mirror. The subject cannot see you.
Okay.
but this time, he's friendlier to our volunteers.
That's a lovely smile.
And a little more, you guessed it, compassionate.
Hi.
Make yourself comfortable.
And time after time, our last group manages to find some compassion themselves and pick the mild or medium sauce, despite their run-in with the jerk.
Look ahead.
This is because they were all shown compassion themselves by the scientist.
Can I get you some water?
Sure.
This is not just about giving hot sauce to a stranger. What this experiment reveals about compassion is that, like the common cold, compassion is actually contagious.